everybody, thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. So for today's video, it's really exciting because I'm going to be showing you guys the new Bite Beauty collection. It came out with these Crystal Creme Shimmer lip crayons. This is the little pamphlet here, and I got this collection about a week ago. I thought they looked so beautiful, and I've been really into kind of shimmery and metallic lipsticks lately, so I was really excited when I saw these ones. Definitely wearing the most unique one right now. I swatched them all for you guys so you can see all the shades, and this was the last one that I swatched. So if my lips look a little bit beat up, that is why. But since I was so excited about this collection, I wanted to do a whole video on it, and that way you guys can see kind of all the swatches in case you're interested. I swatched the whole entire collection except for one. I didn't receive one shade, but I got all of the rest, and this is the shade I didn't get. It's called Grape Glaze, so that's the only one I didn't swatch, but at least there's a big old picture here so you guys can see the shade. It is just a purple shade. So Bite Beauty did send me this collection, and I'm very grateful for it, but they didn't ask me to make this video. I was just super excited about these lipsticks, and I love Bite Beauty. So these are called their Clean Crystal Creme Shimmer Crayons. The part that they wrote says that they wrapped the mineral shimmer in orange peel wax to make it apply smoothly and last, and that is so cool to me. And also that's extremely true because these are so incredibly smooth. They go on so nicely. Very comfortable to wear. Sometimes when you're wearing a metallic lipstick, you can kind of feel the glittery chunks when you put your lips together, and you can kind of feel them on your lips. With this one, you can't at all. It just gives your lips a little bit of a shimmer. And then also they are completely vegan and gluten-free too, so that's really cool. I'm just gonna pull out one out of the packaging so you can see what it looks like. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's really shimmery and it's glossy. In comparison, this one right here is their matte lip crayon, and then this is the shiny one. So that's cool because then you know the difference of the two. And then also with these shimmery ones, you have the color on the bottom. Notice that Trend Mood put out the date that they are going to be released. So the release date for the Bite Beauty website online is December 25th. Oh, that's Christmas Day. And then on December 26th, they are going to be available online at Sephora. And January 4th, they're going to be in stores. So there's all the information on Trend Mood's Instagram. And if I miss any details that you guys are wanting to know about them, just leave them in the comments, and then I'll just be sure to go ahead down there and answer them. Before we get on into the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little bell beside the subscribe button. That way you guys can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like this video if you like lip swatches and you like Bite Beauty like me. If you'd like to see all of the lip swatches and the colors, then please just keep watching.
Where the only focus is me.
That's it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I was super excited about this collection, so I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the swatches of all of the colors. But yeah, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.